Hey attorneys, Anita Tallman here from Social Firestarter. Okay, so I get a question a lot about, do I need multiple Google My Business listings? And well, I want to answer that by saying it depends. If you are in an area that is very competitive when it comes to your city that you're in, and very competitive when it comes to the practice area that you are in, then chances are, if your geographical area you want to target is fairly large, then yes, you will probably need multiple Google My Business listings. And what that really means is you need multiple office locations. I'll give you an example. If I'm in downtown San Diego and I'm a personal injury attorney and I want to target San Diego, all of San Diego, all the way into, let's say, North County, then do I need an office also in North County? Well, look at it this way. If I'm in downtown San Diego, and between downtown San Diego and North County, there are 57,000 personal injury attorneys, then if somebody is standing in North County and doing a search for a car accident attorney, well, there's no reason for Google to show me being downtown when there are so many attorneys close to that person and in proximity of where that person is standing. So in that case, yeah, I need a location also in North County. So I need an office location there. And then, of course, I need to create a Google My Business listing for that location. Now, another scenario where I wouldn't, well, let's say that I'm in downtown San Diego and I want to target North County, and between me and North County, there are 5 personal injury attorneys. Well, there's a good chance that not a guarantee, but there's a good chance that in somebody in North County looking for a car accident attorney, if there's only 5 of us, well, Google's going to say, I'm going to branch out a little bit further than where that person is standing and show a personal injury attorney, even if it's an attorney way south of that person in downtown San Diego, 20 miles away. So what you have to factor in, what your practice area is, how competitive is it? If it's super niche, well, yeah, there are certain things that you can come up with or come up for that is pretty far away than from where where your physical address is. And I just had an attorney tell me about that, criminal law attorney, and he is targeting things like police brutality, that specific search. And they're in his area, which is actually a pretty tiny city. It's got a population of about 15,000, so it is small. He is coming up not just within that city, but surrounding areas for that specific search. Surrounding areas, if you just put in criminal defense attorney, no, he's not coming up. He's, I think, like number 20 in his Google My Business listing in those surrounding areas. But those surrounding areas outside of his city for police brutality attorney, he's actually number 2. He's not even number 1, he's number 2. So yes, for some of those niche practice areas where there's not a lot of competition, yeah, you can dominate a city. You may even be able to dominate a county, depending on how big it is. Because it's not just its practice area, it's how competitive that practice area is, and of course, it's the size of that county or city that you're trying to target. So if you're trying to figure out whether or not you need additional or multiple Google My Business listings, reach out, let me know, and I'd be happy to talk to you. Because again, the answer to that original question is, it depends.